17. Muhammad now controlling the ball. Dribble. Looking for an opening pass to Cariaga. Cariaga. Burutan to intercepted by number 5 to number 18 Santillan to number 9. Readiness pass to number 5, pass to Santillan intercepted by Cariaga. Cariaga low pass to number 20. 20 intercepted by number 31. Santillan on the side, good for 2. Back to Cariaga to number 11. 5 for 3, no good. Rebound by Maravilla. To Cariaga to number 9. Oh! It's a 3 seconds violation. Substitution ref. Foul by number 20 to number 77. Carpio. To number 20 back to Carpio. Oh! No good. Sebo. Made by Adrian. 4-2. Number 39 to number 7 back to number 39 to number 20 number 77 back to 39 to number 7 3 made by number 7 in favor of Pinay Carlo. Number 9, number 25 to 0. Pick up for good. Rebound by Zero again. No good again. Rebound by number 39. 39, dribble. 8 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 25. Oh, sure. Rebound by number 13. Intercepted by number 25. 25, dribble. Mataas masyado. Number 39, 77, 39, 7 to number 20 on the side, good for 2. Made by number 20, making the score 24-21 in favor of Pinay Carlos by 3. Number 9 now, dribble, pass to number 25. 25 to number 6. No good drive. It's the same ball. Substitution ready.
Sub pala. Daddy!
25, 4-2. Muhammad now. Pass to Tida. Number 4. First strike, no good. Rebound by number 25. For 3. No good. Rebound by 0. Follow-up for 2. Making the score. 25-24 in favor of Anthony by 1. Number 11 to number 18. Back to number 11 to number 0 back to number 18 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 1. Moving the ball. Flores again. Zero. 18, good for 2. Number 1, yes, good was made by number 1. Number 18 to number 11 now. 11 to number 4, Otida to Cariaga to Muhammad to Maravilla. Tutira, Ortiga to number 19. Oh, same ball.
I need to shoot. Swallow. I keep swallowing my blood.
No, you drink water. You drink water.
Still got one. Tissue. Tissue.
Wala, Dali. Somewhere here.
That's my support.
No, no, no.
Ah,
That's
number
from the
21.
barbecue. Police already garbage. Let's see.
Good for two, made by number. Making the score 30-27 in favor of Pinay Cardon by 3. Number 25, controlling the ball, pass to number 0. To number 31 to number 5. No good, rebound by number 4. Utira to number 0. Good for 2, made by number 0. Number 31, Abitan controlling the ball. Dribble. Intercepted by number 4 to number 11, Muhammad. Limiting sila. Good for 2. Number 1, Flores. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 5. 5. No good. Rebound by Maravilla. Maravilla. Dribble. Utira, Garabol, pass to Kariaga on the side, no good, rebound by Muhammad to Maravilla, no good, Maravilla again, no good. Number 0, foul number 25 is awarded 2 free throws. Number 25, it's your second personal foul. Ariaga now. Inbound the ball to number 4, Ortiga. Ortiga to Carpio. Carpio. To Ortiga. Ortiga. To number 13. Oh. Oh, good. Rebound by Ortiga. Ortiga now. Layup for 2. To number 1, Santillan. Good for 2. Made by number 19, Santillan. Making the score 27-29. Ortiga dribbling the ball. Pass to 13 to Bulukan to number 13. Good for 2. Made by number. Now. Pass to Adrian. Adrian controlling the ball, dribble. Chop for 2. Boys made from Pinay Cardon by 8 points. Utira for 3, no good. Rebound by number 0, 0 to number 1. 1 to number 6. No good. Rebound by number 9. Good for 2. Made by number 9. Carpio inbound. Ariaga dribbling the ball. To Utira, Ortiga to Cariaga. Back to Utira. To Bulutan to isang foul committed by number 9. throw, no good. Second throw, it's good.
Minsan, magaling na ako.
Number 9 to number 8, 8 back to number 9. A nice block, but it's a foul. Committed by number 4. First throw is good. Take a throw. No good. One more. Too early. No good. Rebound by Nutira, number 4. Number 4 to Carpio. Carpio to Borland. Good for 2. Now, Sabilyan, control the ball, dribble. Nice block by number 4, bounce by number 0, 0 to number 9, 9 back to Sabilyan to number 6. No good, rebound by number 20. Oh, defended by number 0, 0 to number 1, Flores. Quick jump, no good, rebound by number 18. Now it's a foul. Nagunay. 18.
Basahin na naman ito sa
Arpio. Abdulida. Utida to Karyaga. Karyaga. To Utida. Utida. Karyaga for today. No goal. Rebound by Flores. Number 1 over the Risit. Pass to number 19, Santiago. Santiago now. Number 1, 1, 2. Adrian Porto. Unsikan to Maravilla. Good ball, 2 made by Maravilla. Abita now. Controlling the ball. Dribble. Pass to Adrian. Adrian. Quick jump. No good. Rebound by Adrian. And it's a foul. Committed by number 11, Muhammad. It's good. Defense and the final throw. It's good. Making the score 38-39. Seo Maravilla, Maravilla to Bonsiga for 3. Number, rebound by number 2. Controlling the ball, dribble. 1 to number 25. Oi! Oi! The number 29 to 0, 0 to number 19. Nice pass. Made by number 0 to number 19. Oh. Time out!
Yeah!
Trouble.
Good try!
Quick down. 4-2.
It's Kawhi Leonard's shot! So go! Count that in! So go!
Oh, no count.
No point!
39 to 0. Maravilla. Back to 11. 11 to number 7. And the side. Same there. 39. Flores. Pass to number 25. 25 to Amitan for 3. No good. Rebound by number 39. 39 to number 90. Good. Number 25. Chance. No good. Rebound by number 11 to number 15. And it's a foul committed by number 9.
After, hold on.
Remaining time, 12 minutes and 12 seconds. Bonsika to Muhammad. Muhammad to Marabilla. Now, going to go.
Nandito asawa niyan.
Quick jump. Good for 2. That's it to shooter. Garfield. Sumunod pa na na side. Beautiful two. Beautiful two. Nariaga now. Back to Garfield.
Get that phone. Get that phone. Get that phone right now.
Adrian.
Stop it! Stop! One stop!
Brazil. Yeah. 2 points made by number 0.
No!
Bonsika. To Carriaga. Carriaga. To Garfield. The side.
Hey, patay.
Made by Garfield.
So English!
19 to 0. Quick na nice block by Utina to number 18. 18. Quick job. Oh, nothing but error. Rebound by number 1 protected by last touch. 19 to number 1 Flores for 3. No good. Rebound by number 25. Nice block by number 4. Last touch. 4, 7, champion to number 13. Number 19. Quick jump. 4-2. Number 18 in power. Controlling the ball. Dribble. Pass to Carriaga. Carriaga to Fabio. Next time to Ruiz. Next time out.
Yeah.
Number 19, Adrian, controlling the ball, dribble, pass to Adrian, Adrian. Turn around jump shot, no good, rebound by number 0, 0 to number 1, Flores. Oh, lakas, rebound by 0, and it's a foul committed by number 20. Number 18. Controlling the ball, dribble, looking for an opening. Otida. Otida again. No good. Last pass. Number 19. Long pass to number 9. 9 on the side. No good. Rebound by number 9. No good. Rebound by 0. 0 to number 4. Otida to number 20. Bulutan. Good. Open up 5:30. Coaches, open up 5:30. Foul number 4. First of number 7 is good. Second row, double, rebound by number 4 to number 13, 13 to number 18. Yung magsab, punta dito yung magsab. Twenty to number 4. Otina on the side for 3. Time out. Oh no. 31. 25. 25. Foul number 4. Time out. Pinay Carlo. Second row, it's good. Breaking the score. 52 Sanati and favor of Pinay Carlo. Remaining time. Wait, time, I'm time. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Muhammad. Intercepted by Abitan. Abitan out. It's a foul committed by number 11, rep 11. Okay.
Hawak ko ang beat, din sa bawat ako.
And it's good.
Ako na
18 to 11, 11 to 0. Marabilia back to Muhammad, Muhammad to Cariaga, Cariaga, dribble. To Marabilia, Marabilia for 3, no good, long by Cariaga to Muhammad. Muhammad now controlling, back to Cariaga, Cariaga. To the side, no good. Rebound by number 19. And it's Sainbo. 7-7 inboundable to Muhammad. Muhammad to Cariaga. Cariaga. To Marabilia to number 19. Intercepted by it's a foul committed by number 11. 19. Abitan on the side. Dribble. To 0. 0 to Flores. Flores. To number 25, 25 to number 0, 0. Back to number 25. No good. Rebound by number 31. 31. Abitan to number 25. Oh, intercepted by number 19. Number 19 to Marabilia. Marabilia at the foul committed by number 31. First throw is good. Second throw is good. Number 25. To Abitan. Abitan. To 0 for 3. No good. Rebound by number Muhammad to number 18 to number 19. 19 to number 0 to number 77, 4-2. Abita now, controlling the ball, dribble, 5 for 3. No good ball by number 19. 19 to number 11. Good for 2 by number 18. Congratulations to the winner. Marabilia, best player of the game. But we have a very good cheerleaders here.